Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I am back with another What's for Dinner video. This video was actually filmed over the past couple weeks, but I did want to wait because I wanted to make sure I could give you guys my Christmas Eve, Christmas Day food kind of clips from my parents' house. So that's why I wanted to wait till after Christmas to put this up. This video is in collaboration with Amanda from Hot Mess Mom. She does a lot of foodie content as well. She does a weekly What's for Dinner. She does grocery hauls. She does cooking videos. So if you were looking for more dinner ideas and food, inspiration, make sure after you watch my video, you head over to her channel, check out her video of what she made for dinner this week, show her some love. If you're coming over from Amanda's channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I do What's for Dinner videos, What's for Lunch videos. I do food and meal prep videos, weekly grocery hauls. So a lot of food content over here on Grady's Mom as well. So let's go ahead, get started, show you guys what I made and cooked for dinner the past couple weeks. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom, back with a new week of what I cooked for dinner. This night I was making a stir fry with veggies. I also used steak and I tossed it just in some spaghetti noodles. Super easy. The sauce with ginger, honey, garlic, sesame oil, and I put some sesame seeds on top. If you are new here, I have an entire playlist of these videos that I'll link down below. And the next night was a simple pasta dish. A friend brought some sauce with sausage and garlic bread while I was in recovery from surgery, and it was super delicious. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I did a copycat Outback recipe called Alice Springs Chicken. I do have an actual cooking video that I did on this, so I will link that down below. But tonight this is what we're having for dinner. I made like a tossed salad with arugula and iceberg, some tomatoes and cucumbers. I also put some pepperoni in there, and I tossed it in, let me show you guys. It is the Cindy's Kitchen Asiago and cracked peppercorn like ranch dressing that I got at Whole Foods. And then I also made some little like flaky biscuits as a side, just kind of wanted to keep it light since this chicken dish is a little bit heavy. But again, I'll link the recipe, the cooking video for this down below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I did some roasted sausage from the fresh market. It came out really good and nice and crispy on the outside. I did some zoodles from Trader Joe's. I just sauteed them in a little bit of EVOO, some seasonings, and added a little bit of chicken broth to give them a little moisture. And then I have some Campari tomatoes here with balsamic glaze from Trader Joe's. I like this one. And I just threw some green onions on here. I had some left over already prepped up, and some roasted potatoes with some salt, pepper, and then 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. Looks really, really good. This is what we're gonna have tonight. We have plenty of leftovers, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so this night I did a roasted pork loin in the oven, and it was already pre-seasoned. It came out really good. I also did some yellow rice, which is really good as well. It has like a saffron flavor, and then some honey butter biscuits with some applesauce on the side, and Justin was over that night if you're curious. The next night I made enchiladas, which is one of my favorite go-to dinners to make. I try to make them once a month or every 6 weeks or so, and everybody always really loves them. I'm just adding cheese, popping them in the oven, and they are just so easy. They are definitely one of our family favorite recipes, and everybody loves them. I did some refried beans on the side with some little green onions. My mother was over this night. Matt does not like refried beans, so he had potato wedges. And my mom and I both had the refried beans on the side, and it was great. Next up, I made French toast using the caramel apple swirl bread. It came out really good. I definitely recommend that for French toast. Hey guys, we're having breakfast for dinner tonight. We're doing some French toast with the Pepperidge Farm apple swirl caramel cinnamon bread. It's like a limited edition, so we're having 3 pieces. The slices are pretty small, with some bacon that I baked on a sheet tray. And then we're gonna have a little side of fruit. So Matt's gonna have some mandarin oranges. And then this thing's pretty big, so we'll probably split this. It's like the Dole chia seeds with peaches and pineapple, I believe. It's like a fruit cup, but it's pretty large. But yeah, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I'm gonna put some maple syrup on it, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I did a small honey glazed spiral ham with some steamed sweet potatoes. I just pretty much peeled a large sweet potato and chopped it up in like bite-sized pieces, steamed it, and then added a little bit of butter, salt, pepper, and then some cinnamon and some haricot vert green beans from Trader Joe's. I just bring them to a boil and then immediately drain them and let them kind of steam. Salt, pepper, butter, and a little bit of garlic powder. So we're having the same thing. I do have some leftovers, which will be nice for a meal tomorrow. This is dinner tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, I have about 1.5 cups of leftover ham, which I diced up pretty small. I kind of pre-prepped it a little bit, and I can use this for soups, for quiche, for omelets, but I think I'm going to use some of this to make a batch of eggy muffins, so you'll probably see this little jar on a future food prep video. Hey guys, I'm going to do Philly cheesesteaks tonight, really simple. I have this like shaved beef. I actually put a little bit of this Worcestershire sauce in here just for a little flavor. I might add like salt, pepper, garlic powder. I already have some fries baking in the oven. I have some rolls here that I thawed out. I had these frozen. I had 4 of them frozen in here, so I cut 2 lengthwise, put a little butter. I'm going to toast these up and then put the cooked steak and cheese back on and then melt everything. And then I also had some Campari tomatoes to use up, so we're going to have these with a little bit of the Trader Joe's balsamic glaze. So yeah, I'm going to get this on. It only takes like 7 minutes because it's paper thin. And then once this is cooked, I'll get it on here, top it with cheese, and then melt everything in the oven to finish it. And by the time I do all that, the fries will be done. So it's going to be really easy dinner, but I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so these were just in the broiler, so they're nice and toasty. I used up another jar of the hot pepper bacon jam. Love this stuff from Terrapin Ridge Farm. So I put some underneath the cheese and under the meat as well. I'm just going to put these together, slice them in half, and then plate the rest of the food up. Okay guys, here's everything plated up. The sandwiches are nice and toasty. We have some baked oven fries, and then the Campari tomatoes with the Trader Joe's balsamic glaze on it. Matt has a little ketchup. I'll probably put a little bit on mine. And really simple, easy dinner tonight. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so this night I took some help from Trader Joe's and I used some Trader Joe's fried vegetable rice, some Trader Joe's chicken egg rolls, and I also used a peanut vinaigrette dipping sauce from them as well. So they really came through. Thank you so much, Trader Joe's, for helping me out. The next night we actually ate dinner at my mom's. She made a large salad with all different veggies. She also made some pasta with homemade marinara, and this night we had some pork sausage and fresh Italian bread. It was delicious. Alright guys, so now we're moving into footage from Christmas Eve, which is my mom's like huge cooking night for the holidays. We do several courses over like 2 to 3 hours, and we do kind of everything in small batches. I know that's kind of odd to some people, but that's just how we always have done it on Christmas Eve, even when I was a child. So we do heavy on the seafood, so calamari and shrimp and mussels, and my dad also fries fish, but I don't eat fish. I eat all the shellfish though. Everything you can imagine. I only captured some of what the food that we ate. We had all kinds of veggies and different sides and roasted chicken and pasta. Again, things I didn't even get on film because there were so many different courses. But it was absolutely delicious, and I really truly enjoyed being home with my family. Here was one of my main plates, and then again we just nibbled in courses for the rest of the dinner, but it was just awesome being with my family. And then dessert, my mom makes all kinds of different homemade cookies with the exception of one on the top right, which was ricotta cookies my brother made. I just got a quick clip of the tree in the morning on Christmas Day. The next day, those presents were for about 9 different people. And then just a quick clip of the table. And I'm also going to show you a quick clip of what we had for Christmas dinner on Christmas Day. So my mom goes a lot lighter for dinner on Christmas Day to give herself a break. She makes a tray of lasagna. We had bread and then some leftover veggies from the night before.